Hello my friends, what if I told you that you can actually study a medical doctor degree in the UK free of charge? Would you believe me? Well, it's true. Yes guys, there is a real opportunity right now for you to apply to study a medical doctor degree here in the UK free of charge, and you will get paid as you study. But don't take my word for it. Let's head over right now to the NHS website so you can see for yourself. And guys, you really need to hurry because the closing date is very near. So please hurry and take advantage of this opportunity. Where else can you get a chance to study medicine for free? And more so, this is an apprenticeship medical doctor degree. That means it is not for only those who scored high grades that can take you to medical school, but the opportunity is open for everyone who has secondary school education, O level or A level, as I'm going to show you briefly. So even if you are in the UK, you are working as a carer, as a driver, as a retail assistant, and you have always wanted to study medicine, this is your golden chance. Please drop everything that you are doing and rush and apply for this opportunity, because the closing date is very close, but you can still get in. I think you have already got the urgency of this, so let's go. So my friends, what you are seeing right now on your screen is the official NHS website, and they have this opportunity, as you see here, Medical Doctor Degree Apprentice 2025. And you can see this part saying apply for this job. So you will just apply here. But before you reach the part of apply, let's just go through it and see whether what I'm talking about is really true or I tricked you into clicking this video, which I don't do in this channel. So let's head back. So the opportunity is at East Suffolk and North Essex NHS Foundation Trust. The closing date, guys, for the application is 15th September 2024. This is a 2025 program, but the applications are being processed right now in September and October. You're going to see all the details as we go through it. As you know, all apprenticeships are an on-job training. It is actually a job in itself because you are paid as you study. Guys, don't you just love the UK? You're studying for free and you get paid as you study. I don't know where else you can get this. So as you can see, the closing date is 15 September 2024. So let's look at something about this apprenticeship. The Medical Degree Apprenticeship MDDA offers an alternative path into medicine for people who might not have otherwise gone to medical school. As an apprentice, you will be employed by ESNEFT, that is East Suffolk North Essex Foundation Trust, and released for academic study to Anglia Ruskin University School of Medicine full-time. So guys, you have seen, it is education and employment all in one. If successful at the first stage, you will be required to apply direct to Anglia Ruskin University via a private link between 30th September to 8th October 2024. Okay guys, down here we see the main duties of the job. Apprenticeship work role. When not attending the university, MDDAs will work in an ESNEFT job. This is Medical Degree Doctor Apprenticeship, and here is the East Suffolk and North Essex Foundation Trust job role throughout their 5-year program. There will be a variety of rotational non-clinical roles in secondary and primary care settings that will support the wider development in medical training. Before we continue guys, if you get any value at all in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to continue bringing these kind of opportunities and you don't want to miss out. So let's continue. So guys, we cannot go through all these roles, but when you come, you will read through them, and then you also read about the foundation itself, and the establishment that is offering this opportunity. And as you see here, we are one of the largest NHS organizations in England, employing more than 12,000 staff. We pride ourselves on supporting our staff. We offer a wide range of training and development opportunities, as well as flexible working options. And then they state other benefits that you have here: 27 days annual leave and so forth, NHS discounts, staff health and well-being programs, and so forth, guys. And down here, my friends, you have the job description. And as I told you guys, this job is for anybody who has not gone to medical school or who technically does not qualify to go to medical school, but they have a strong interest in becoming a medical doctor. So let us see what are the requirements for you to apply for this program. So here you go. Please see the mandatory qualifications required. GCSE requirement relating to all applicants. For students not meeting one's criteria. So you need 5 GCSEs, grade 9 to 6, A+ to B, which must include English language and maths and science. For students meeting WAM's entry criteria, you will need 2 science GCSEs, grade 9 to 6, A+ to B. Math and English GSE, grade 9 to 4, A+ to C. Functional skills level 2, acceptable. 1 GCSE, A+ to B in any subject. For students not meeting WAM's criteria, one of the following must have been achieved, which applies to a lot of people. So let's focus on this part. A levels. If you have A levels, A+, AA, which includes 2 sciences. T level, this is tertiary level, health or healthcare science. So if you have a post-secondary school study in health sciences that is at tertiary level, you can also apply. Access to higher education diploma. Most of the people who are in the UK, immigrants for example in the UK, have got this access to higher education diploma. So if you have that, you can also apply. So for that, you should have a minimum score of 30 distinction and 15 merit. For those who meet the WAM's criteria, your criteria has been reduced to A levels. If you have ABB, which includes 2 sciences, plus meets 1 or more of the WAM's criteria. Tertiary level, health or healthcare science. For undergraduate degree applicants, one of the following must have been achieved. Please note, university graduate places will be capped at 20%. The remaining number will be reserved for pre-degree applicants. Yes, guys, they want mostly guys who have not gone to university before to study in a medical program. You guys are the ones that are being targeted. Please apply and take advantage, because 80% of all the places have been reserved for you. Only 20% will be given to those who already have some university education. So for those who already hold a university degree and want to apply, these are the conditions that you must meet in order to apply. So for A level, you need either biology, chemistry or physics, B grade or above. Or you could be having access to higher education diploma in medicine, that is 30 distinction and 15 merit. And down here, you have the summary of the kind of person they are looking for. So you can go through all this at your time. These are the options of the people they are looking for. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. And I'm very sure that you will fit in one of those options. So guys, don't waste this opportunity. Apply. Don't say that I didn't share it with you. And guys, please make sure that you share this opportunity with all the people you care about. So what is the experience that they need? Guys, as you can see here, there is no special experience that you need. All you need is the ability to commit to a full-time 5 + 2 years duration of the program, okay? And then you must demonstrate commitment to the people and services of ESN, EFT, and the East of England. Then you should have some Microsoft and IT experience. By the time you are watching this video, obviously you have some Microsoft and basic IT skills. Basically, they are referring to the use of computer because some of your lessons will be online. So these are the details of your employer. This is their website. This is the address. So let's talk about the benefits of this apprenticeship. As you can see right here, guys, you will be paid £16,816 per annum. You will be paid and you are studying for free, guys. Please run and apply for this opportunity. I wasn't planning to make a video today, but I wouldn't let this kind of opportunity pass you guys. So I had to drop other plans and make these videos for you. Please don't disappoint me. The contract is permanent. So even after finishing the course, you will now transition to working as a full medical doctor in East England under permanent terms. And you can see it's full-time. This is the reference, guys. When you're applying, take note of this reference. Okay? So after going through all of this, then you can just come here and say apply. Okay? How to apply is here. You will be redirected from this site to the employer's recruitment site where you will register or log in your account. Then you come here. So if you have an NHS account, you can just sign in and proceed to application. If you don't, then you come here and you register. Okay? So after you create your account, you can apply, and just like that, guys, you might get yourself a chance to study a medical degree course free of charge and also earn some income in the process. Guys, don't let this pass. So guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope that you're going to apply, and I wish you the best of luck. See you in the next one.